In this video, we're going to learn about standard form. So if we have a problem like this that says, determine the standard form of the following expression. And this is the expression, 7 times 1 plus 8 times 1 over 10 plus 5 times 1 over 100. So for a problem like this, the first step is to understand that you need to understand that for each term, the first number is the digit and the second number is the place value. So this is the digit, this is the place value. This is the digit, this is the place value. This is the digit, this is the place value. And once we're done, after this, you should be able to, every time you get a problem like this, know how to do it. So this is the first term. This is the second term, and this is the third term. So for each term, so I'm just pointing out to you what the terms are, the first, the second, and the third, so that you know which ones they are. Then use a place value chart to help with the standard form. And the place value chart keeps track of each digit's value. So the value of each digit, remember, this is the digit, this is the value, this is the digit, this is the value. So let's take a look at that chart. Here it is. So in the ones, we have the digit times 1. In the tenths, we have the digit times 1 over 10. In the hundredths, we have the digit times 1 over 100. So now the only thing left to do is to put the digits into the correct place value. So let's do that. So here we're going to put a 7. Here we're going to put an 8. Here we're going to put a 5. So 7, then 8, then 5. So finally, the answer in standard form is 7.85. So every time you get a problem like this that asks you to put this into standard form, this is how you would do it. You would just use this little place value chart and know that which digit goes into which place value. And there you have it. That's the end of this problem. If you don't understand that right away, there's nothing wrong with repetition. Just rewatch the video. If you need more help with this type of problem, check out my description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. And please make sure to subscribe and to like if you learned something from this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening.